Welcome to Science Lecture Theatre. I am your lecturer, Professor Ifa O. Ifa. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to find a perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. Understanding the problem. Given 2 points, A x1, y1 and B x2, y2, we want to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line joining A and B. Let this be the point A, x1, y1, and this be the point B, x2, y2. This is a line segment joining A and B. Let this be the midpoint of this line segment, M, x bar, y bar. Then the perpendicular bisector of the line AB is this line passing through M. X bar equals to x1 plus x2 over 2, and y bar equals to y1 plus y2 all over 2. The slope of the line segment AB is m1 equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So therefore, the slope of our perpendicular line M is equal to minus 1 all over m1. Therefore, the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB is given by y minus y bar equal to m into x minus x bar. Let us illustrate this with example. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the point A minus 1 minus 2 and B minus 5, 1. Solution. Let us get the midpoint of the line segment joining A and B. X bar equal to x1 plus x2 over 2, which is equal to minus 1 plus minus 5 all over 2, and that is equal to minus 3. Y bar is equal to y1 plus y2 over 2, which is equal to minus 2 plus 1 all over 2, and this is equal to minus half. So therefore, the midpoint of the line segment AB is mx bar y bar, which is equal to m minus 3 minus half. The slope m1 of the line segment AB is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, and this is equal to 1 minus minus 2 all over minus 5 minus minus 1, and this gives us minus 3 over 4. The slope of the perpendicular bisector M is equal to minus 1 all over m1, which is equal to 4 over 3. So therefore, the equation of the perpendicular bisector is y minus y bar equals to the slope m times x minus x bar. That is, y minus minus half is equal to 4 over 3 into x minus minus 3. Simplifying this, we have 6y plus 3 is equal to 8 into x plus 3. And this can be rearranged as 8x minus 6y plus 21 equal to 0. We have come to the end of our lecture. Thank you for watching.